Hi class, I have a short clip that is going to briefly show you how to choose works that you may want to include in your essay. Also, I'll talk about how to create a citation for a website and then for a book. First of all, what is a citation? A citation shows the person grading or reading your essay that you are not taking someone else's work for your own. We already know that is called plagiarism, which is not tolerated. It's important to know how to choose works that you want to use in your essay. When you are looking to choose a source, you need to make sure that it is going to add to the points you're trying to make. Don't add a source simply to get a higher word count. Also, we can find anything on the internet. It is best to use academic journals because they're created by people who know what they're talking about. They're credible sources. An obvious example is if you are writing a character analysis on Romeo and Juliet, don't put in quotes from The Great Gatsby. It is not relevant to the character you are talking about in Romeo and Juliet. The only reason you would want to add a random source like this is if you're comparing the novels. Let's first talk about how to write a citation for a website. First, you'll need to put the web page's author using their last name, comma, first name, followed by a period. Then you will put the article title in quotation marks with a period inside the end quote. You'll need to put the website name in italics and a period at the end. You'll then need to include the website publisher, which can be found at the bottom of the web page generally. Then place a comma, then type the year of publish, followed by a period. This can be found with the publisher. You then need to say the medium in which your source is from. In this instance, if it is a website, so you can simply say web and then a period. Next, you'll want to type the date in which you accessed the web page, ending with a period. The way you want to write the date is day, month, and then year. Lastly, you should type the URL of the web page inside of angled brackets. The last thing we're going to look at is how to write a citation for a book. You'll first need to write the author's name, again, last name, comma, first name, followed by a period. Then you'll put the name of the book in italics, followed by a period. You'll find the publishing information on the first few pages of the book. You'll put the publishing city, comma, state, followed by a colon. If you abbreviated the state, be sure to include a period. You'll then write the publisher, comma, year of publish, period, and then the medium. You'll want to write print, followed by a period. Alright, so that's all I have for you right now. Don't get too overwhelmed. We'll talk about it more in class, and we'll practice as well.